Ever wished you could manage multiple Gmail accounts without constantly logging in and out? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a second Gmail account in just a few simple steps. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and a small menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to all your Google accounts. If you already have another account added, you'll see it here. But if not, don't worry, we're going to add one. Look for the option that says Add Account and click it. This will take you to the Google sign-in page. Here, enter the email address and password of the Gmail account you want to add. If it's an account you've used before, it might even appear on the list for quicker access. Once you've entered your credentials, follow any prompts that appear. Google may ask you to verify the login with a text message or email. This is a security measure to make sure it's really you. After completing this step, you'll be successfully logged in. Now comes the best part. Switching between accounts is effortless. Just click your profile icon again, and you can toggle between your emails without ever logging out. This makes managing work, personal, or other accounts seamless and organized. And that's it. You've just added a second Gmail account and can now keep your emails streamlined and easy to access. Staying organized with multiple accounts can save time and boost productivity, so give it a try today. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little organization goes a long way in your digital life.